Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to complete Bailey J prep pace quest for the upcoming Call of Whales event in Heartopia. Okay, before you begin, make sure you have already completed the underground tremor quest. After that, you'll be asked to collect signs from different town residents by completing the quest they give you. And now we'll focus on Bailey J's quest. So just track Bailey J and talk to her to start the quest. Okay, I'm gonna click on this quest, of course, bird. Okay, and click on leave it to me. And we need to submit quality timber and also ores. Make sure you have collected the timbers and also the ores. I think I already have the items. Okay, 5 quality timbers and 5 ores. And then click on submit and you will get a reward. Okay, and you'll get a sign. Wow, that's cute. Okay guys, and that's how we can complete the Bailey J prep pace quest for the upcoming Call of Whales event in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys.